My name is Michael Ibrahim. I am the Director of Robotic Cardiac Surgery at UVA Health. Our focus is on robotic mitral valve repair, replacement, aortic valve repair and replacement, and all the associated procedures within cardiac surgery. Robotic heart surgery is special because it allows us to take care of patients not only who want rapid recovery and are healthy, but also to offer surgery to patients where we're concerned about their ability to recover from traditional forms of heart surgery. We are also involved in the development and pioneering of new procedures that have never been done before robotically. It's a privilege to meet new patients expecting heart surgery. Heart surgery is one of the biggest things that happens in a patient's life. And when we meet the patient, we go through what is wrong with them, what the options are to treat them, and how robotics can be one of the options that they may want to consider. After appropriate testing and imaging, we make a decision with the patient and decide upon the treatment plan. We believe in integrated and long-term care, which involves careful evaluation of our results in the long term. And so that relationship that starts at the preoperative visit, we hope extends throughout the patient's lifetime.